All right, so we have our question on the board. We have the 3 raised to power m minus 2 raised to power m equals 65. Find the value of m. Let's do this together. So we have 3 raised to power m minus 2 raised to power m equals 65. Now, we need to try to rewrite 65 in such a way that we can be able to equate it to this side of the equation and then be able to find the value of m. Okay, so we know that 65 is the same thing as 13 times 5. Okay, so this becomes 3 raised to power m minus 2 raised to power m equals 13 and 5. Now, let's try to rewrite this in the form of a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b. Let's try to rewrite this side into this format. So we have 3 raised to the power m, 2 raised to the power m equals 13 is the same thing as 9 plus 4. And 5 is the same thing as 9 minus 4. And if we take a closer look, this is the same as this. So we can rewrite this as 2m equals 9 squared minus 4 squared. So now we have a difference of 2 squares. Okay. So now we can equate the left-hand side to the right-hand side. So we have that 3m is equal to 9 squared. And then we have the 2m is equal to 4 squared. So let's make sure that you can actually see this on the screen. So we have 3 raised to the power m is equal to 9 squared. And we have 2 raised to the power m equals 4 squared. Now, this becomes, we can rewrite this to become 3 raised to the power 2. Or we can rewrite this to become squared. We know that a raised to the power m n is equal to amn. So therefore, 3 raised to the power m equals 2 times 2 is 4. 2 raised to the power m is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. So we have the same base, and therefore we can equate the powers. Okay, so our m here is equal to 4, and also m here is equal to 4. Therefore, value of m is 4. Now, let's verify this answer by plugging the value of m back into the first equation to see if we will get 65 as our answer. Okay, so we have 3 raised to the power 4 minus 2 raised to the power 4. Is this equal to 65? So 3 raised to the power 4, so that's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 minus 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Is this equal to 65? 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27 times 3 is 81. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. Is this equal to 65? So 11 from 6 is 5. 7 minus 1 is 6. So this means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Therefore, our value for m, which is 4, is the right answer. So if you learned something new today, make sure that you like this video. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe. Make sure to share this video so somebody else can learn something new as well. I'll see you on the next one.